Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Abian Kantaran, and I want to describe the journal about the journal model of Islamic religion education 435 based on Islamic Nusantara on college. Islam Nusantara is Islam taught by Wali Songo. That is peaceful Islam, get along, not arrogant, and rahmatan lil alamin. Brought by Wali Songo, which they understand from the teachings of Prophet Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which not only infits bilisan but also bilhal, not only concern formalities but also the core of Islamic teachings. This means a typical Islamic style of Indonesia, which is a combination of Islamic theological values with the values of local tradition, cultures, and customs in the country. In simple language, Islam Nusantara is the same Islamic concept as Islam elsewhere, but in understanding. Its application contextually bound to the dimension of time and place. As a concept, Islam Nusantara has special characteristics that distinguish it from other Islam. There are at least two concepts that are carried by Islam Nusantara, namely pillars, markers, or characteristics. With the existence of Nusantara Islam, but if it is applied in university, therefore this paper will discuss the model of alternative religious education in college, the new concept of Islamic religion education model based on Islam Nusantara on college with the formulation 4, 3, and 5. First, what is the 4? Well, 4 are enthusiastic spirit of religious education process. Namely, first, ruhuddin, religious spirit. And then number 2, nationalism. And number 3, ruhud adudiyah, spirit of diversity. And the number 4, ruhul insaniyah, spirit of humanity. Okay, next, and the number 3, that is as a concept, Islam Nusantara has special characteristics that distinguish it from other Islam. There are at least two concepts that are carried by Islam Nusantara, namely pillars, and then number 1, fikrah or tawasud. The talk fikrah of Islam Nusantara is tawasud. This means that the way of thinking that put forward Islam Nusantara is moderate, which is not textual position but also not liberal. Number 2, harokah or movement that carried Islam Nusantara as a movement for the association and its citizens. They are not only based on the tradition but also innovation. And number 3, amaliyah or actual action of Islam Nusantara is based on fikih and usul fikih, that is taking care of tradition, urf, and adat based on Islamic values. Next, and the 5 of Islam Nusantara, that is number 1 is islahiyah, that talk based on development, and therefore Islam talk archipelago is a talk aimed at continuous improvement, the way of dynamic thinking. The number 2, tawazuniyah, means balance in all fields. If a movement is implemented, then the balance aspect must also be taken into consideration. This tawazuniyah works with justice. If a movement is implemented, then the balance aspect must also be taken into consideration. This tawazuniyah work with justice. Number 3, tatawuniyah, means volunteerism. One thing that must be held in this volunteer is in carrying about talks, movements, and practice. The yin should not impose on other. The number 4, akhlaqiyah, all forms of talk, movements, and practice of Islam Nusantara Muslim performed with polite. The fee here applies in accordance with social ethics and state and religion. Number 5, tasamuh, which means being tolerant, respectful to other. This tolerant attitude is not passive but critical and innovative. Next, the Islamic education based Islamic Nusantara on college. Number 1, inclusive education. Inclusive IRE at college will be present as a form of the student inclusiveness, representation, as well as result of a way of thinking, attitude, and behaviors of students exclusive to the existence of other religion and other difference. The number 2, multicultural education. Multicultural education is an effort to realize the spirit of the flow or understanding of multiculturalism. The spirit of multicultural education is the recognition of the dignity of human beings living in their communities with their unique culture. And the number 3, peace education. Peace education is an educational concept that has emerged since the time of communism and has grown more and more in the later years of the 20th century. Number 4, institutionalization. This stage makes values in the IRE become a strong identity and character for students and all components in the college. This process is carried out through 3 stages, namely, number 1, the stage of rule making. Number 2, the stage of day-to-day practice, implementation or practicing the rules at a point and in day-to-day activities. And the last one, the formalization stage of institutional culture symbols. Okay, that is my presentation about that journal. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.